New technology developed by Bandit Industries for its Beast horizontal grinders may change the way that we process material for biomass power plants and pellet plants. In 2007, Bandit Industries developed a chipping option for its Beast recyclers, enabling Beast owners to quickly convert the machine from a grinder to a whole tree chipper. Bandit has refined the chipping option, allowing the Beast to effectively produce a 1/4 inch minus sawdust-like chip, a conventional chip size of 3/4 inch minus, or any size in between. This option is offered on all 4 models of our Beast recyclers, including the model 1680, 2680, 3680, and 4680. The unique patented design of the cutter body in the Beast recyclers is shaped like a sawtooth on a chainsaw, which enables the chipping system to make a precise, regulated cut. The material entering the Beast is also controlled by the infeed system, which forwards material to the cutting system at the exact speed required to produce the desired chip length. The screening system, standard in all Beast recyclers, keeps end cuts and slivers inside the chipping chamber until the material is properly sized. When producing a sawdust-type product, the chipping operation generally yields better than 95% acceptable material in one pass. Similar results are achieved in regrind applications when processing chips and hogged material. Because the Beast chipping system uses a cutting action as opposed to the beating action used in hogs and hammer mills, far less energy is consumed in producing the fine material. The wood fibers are cut, not fractured. Pellet operations report that this type of material packs much more efficiently into the pellet dies, yielding greater production. When using a diesel-powered Beast, up to 3 tons of material can be produced per gallon of diesel fuel consumed. The chipping application is ideal when the material is relatively clean and free of stone and dirt. Producing fine material is also possible when processing dirtier materials, such as the material found in raked slash piles. Carbide cutting teeth and/or splitting teeth are used for these applications, which are far more efficient tools for processing the materials than a grinding tooth because of the cutting characteristics of these 2 teeth. The material produced is much more uniform in size and finer in consistency than the material from a typical grinder, but larger than the bio-sawdust chip. Pellet operations in British Columbia receiving ground slash material from the Beast are reporting a 10 to 12% increase in production at the pellet mills when running material from the Beast compared to other grinders. In this particular application, a stationary unit with electric power is regrinding all of the material that comes to the pelleting operation before the material goes to the hog. By using the cutting system in the Beast, the amount of energy required to size the material is also reduced. Shown here is the Beast processing clearing waste used for boiler fuel at a plant that is approximately 120 miles from this clearing site. The machine was originally set up as a grinder, but then converted to a chipper to more efficiently process material and to increase payload. 25% more material was put in the trailer, when the material was chipped rather than ground. The ability to produce a finely ground material efficiently and cost-effectively will likely change the size of material that is used for wood chip fired boilers and home chip heating systems. Fine material is more volatile and should be more desirable for suspension boilers. The knife system in the Beast simply attaches to the cutter body using a single bolt holding both knives and the counter knives. A simple hand disc grinder is often used to touch up the knives in the machine. In relatively clean material, more than 25-ton loads of product can be produced before the knives need to be changed. The quantity of wood that can be produced between knife changes will depend on the cleanliness of the wood. The knives can be sharpened several times before they need to be discarded. Those who are producing premium fuel pellets often use debarked material to limit the ash content. For the pellet operation looking for a bark-free material, drum debarkers seem to hold the greatest potential in supplying debarked material to produce biosawdust. Beast recyclers have larger openings than what are commonly found in whole tree chippers, allowing them to process larger diameter material, handle more stems at a time, and simplify feeding. The opening into the 4680 is 45 inches by 60 inches, enabling it to chip 45-inch diameter material. Thus, oversized material and cull logs can easily be converted into biomass fuel without splitting. The Beast Recycler is one of the most versatile material reduction machines on the market. A number of different cutting, splitting, and grinding tools are offered. The tool most recommended for your application depends on the type of material being processed and the desired end product. The Beast can be converted from a grinding type machine to a whole tree chipper in a matter of hours and at a relatively low cost. Several discharge conveyor options are offered, along with a hydraulic thrower, allowing the machine to load end opening trailers. All models are offered with a number of engine options from most major engine manufacturers. To learn more about the Beast Recyclers, please contact Bandit Industries Incorporated or visit our website at www.banditshippers.com.